My husband said that he was going out to see his best friend tonight, so guess what I did? I made his absolutely favorite meal ever. Creamy lemon chicken. Oh, you had plans tonight? I mean, I cooked creamy lemon chicken, but that's okay, you can go out. Ain't no way he's going out now. If you want to stop your husband from having a husband, marinate some chicken breast cut into fillets for at least half an hour overnight, and then get some flour, season it up, and then take the chicken and coat it on both sides equally. In a hot pan, get some butter, and then toss in that chicken and fry it until it's golden brown, or burn it if you really want to teach your man a lesson. Then in the same pan, we're going to get some minced garlic, chopped onions, we're going to saute that for a little bit, and then add some chicken stock. This meal is guaranteed to keep your man's ass home. Once the chicken stock has boiled up a little bit, we're going to add in some heavy cream, and let that come to a boil. And because this is lemon chicken, we're going to add some lemon juice, some lemon zest, salt, pepper, and lemon pepper. If you make this with the intention of keeping your man's ass home, I promise it will taste delicious. Finally, we're just going to add in some parsley, add the chicken back in, let the chicken swim in that sauce, and plate it up on his favorite bed of pasta. And if that man doesn't worship the ground that you walk on, girl, call the cops. But my man didn't go out after this. Okay, bye.